Hello everyone, my name is Austin Nelson. I am one of our salespeople here at the Monroe Superstore and one of our resident Jeep experts. That's going to be the whole Jeep line. I'm a certified Jeep expert on all of our models, and I'm here every day to help anybody that I possibly can get any information that you need, teach you how to use your Jeep, get you into your first Jeep, and I'm only about a mile and a half away from the dealership when I'm home, so if you need me, I'm just down the road. Well, during the sales process, the most important thing is making sure that the vehicle that you want to get is going to, one, fit your budget, and two, fit your family's needs. Because I know for myself, as much as I want certain vehicles, the better the decision for my family is one, and I can usually have something that's going to still be as fun as you're hoping and meet all the important needs of your family. Not only will we save you money on the vehicle itself, but any accessories, any parts that you need for your Jeep, any customization that you want to do, we will be getting you the best possible prices on anything like that, making sure that your hobbies and your family's needs are affordable and something that you can maintain happily. And once again, my name is Austin Nelson. I am one of our resident Jeep experts here, and I am happy to help with all of your Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram needs. If you need somewhere to go where you can feel comfortable and get the answers you need and the help that you expect, I'm here for you every step of the way.